This will be a speed test between these two LG phones. On the left, we have the newcomer, the V30, and on the right, the G6. The V30 has a Snapdragon 835, G6, Snapdragon 821. They both have 4 gigs of RAM. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time right now and see which one boots up faster here. LG versus LG. Brother versus brother. Are they friends? Or are these two enemies? Should be a fun little video. And we have the V30 here. Booting up faster. Waiting for the G6. Put my pattern in. Both phones are on 0.5x animations. Clear that out. And let's get started with the phone app. Messaging on both. Camera. Ooh, maybe the G6 was quicker on that one. Let's open the calculator on both. Very similar. Let's open the clock. There you go. Let's open the Play Store. Ooh, very similar. Open this Pac-Man game, and we'll just leave it there. eBay on both phones. Ooh, V30, a little bit quicker. We'll open this UAG case and we'll leave it there. Amazon right now. Ooh, the V30. We'll open this and just leave it on this page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Both identical. Speed test app. Who's gonna take it? Ooh, identical on both. We'll go into the settings and just leave it on that page. Some games installed, starting with Mario Run. Oh, who's gonna take this? Who's gonna take it? Oh, we actually have the G6. Angry Birds 2. Who's gonna take this one? Who's gonna take it? Oh, we have the V30, followed by the G6. Can the G6 overtake the V30? Let's find out. Nope, it cannot. Stop the game right there. Subway Surf. V30 out in front a little bit. And we have the V30 faster here than the G6. We'll tap to play a little bit. Stop the game right there. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Go. Can a G6 start this game faster? Or will it be the V30 again? Oh, and I'm gonna call that a tie. Let's open Twitter on both right now. That's a tie again. Let's open Snapchat on both. Another tie. Let's take a look at the multitasking on both of these phones. Everything's in the background. Let's start with Twitter, ready to tweet, followed by Grand Theft Auto, ready to play. We do have Subway Surf on both, ready to play. Angry Birds 2, ready to play also. We have Mario Run on both, same story. The speed test app, ready to take a speed test. Adobe Acrobat Reader, Amazon shopping on both, right on that page. We do have eBay on both, and right on that UAG case. The Play Store on both, right on the Pac-Man. Clock on both, ready to take time. The calculator on both. The camera, ready to take a picture. A few more. Messaging, ready to text somebody. And finally, contacts, ready to make a phone call. And I think that was a little bit of a refresh on the V30. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think about this one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.